Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 30th, 2025, and we're diving into Hess Corporation's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Hess Corporation, a leading global independent energy company, has just released its Q1 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic developments in their oil production projects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Hess reported a net income of $430 million, or 1.39 per share for Q1 2025. However, on an adjusted basis, the EPS was $1.81, surpassing the forecast of $1.70 from 5 analysts. John, what does this tell us about Hess's performance?
Hess's adjusted EPS of 181 cents indicates a solid performance, especially given the challenging market conditions. The company managed to beat expectations, which is a positive sign for investors. The revenue for the quarter was $2.912 billion, slightly down from the previous year, reflecting lower oil prices and sales volumes.
Despite the decrease in net income compared to last year, the adjusted figures show resilience. What factors contributed to this?
The key factors include effective cost management and strategic investments in their exploration and production activities, particularly in Guyana and the Bakken region. These efforts have helped offset some of the impacts of lower oil prices.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operations, Hess maintained a steady oil and gas production of 476,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day. Can you elaborate on their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
Absolutely. Hess's production levels remain stable, with significant contributions from the Bakken and Gulf of America regions. The Bakken production increased to 195,000 BOED, thanks to enhanced drilling and completion activities. Looking ahead, the Yellowtail project in Guyana is on track to start in Q3 2025, which is expected to boost production significantly.
And what about their capital expenditures?
Hess's E&P capital and exploratory expenditures were $1.085 billion, reflecting their commitment to expanding production capabilities, particularly in Guyana. This strategic investment is crucial for sustaining long-term growth.
Market reaction and strategic developments. John, how has the market reacted to Hess's earnings report and their strategic developments?
The market has reacted positively, with investors appreciating the company's strategic focus on high-potential areas like Guyana and the Bakken. Hess's debt-to-capitalization ratio stands at 27.8%, indicating a stable financial position, which is reassuring for stakeholders.
What are the key strategic developments that investors should be aware of?
Investors should note the progress in Guyana, where the Yellowtail project is set to enhance production capacity significantly. Additionally, the Bakken region continues to be a stronghold for Hess, with plans to maintain robust drilling activities throughout 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Hess Corporation has delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with an adjusted EPS of $1.81, beating the forecast. Their strategic focus on key regions like Guyana and the Bakken, along with effective cost management, positions them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Hess's performance and prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Hess's performance in the comments below. Until next time.